The garden is looking much better and it must be feeling much better as well.
What a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
Hello my gardening family, welcome and welcome back to my food forest in container. Of course it is Christmas, so guess what? I am doing a little tiny kind of fix up. A warm welcome to all of you, my new gardening family. Big ups to you, my faithful gardening family, and special shout out to you, my channel members. Thank you all so much. I appreciate you one and all. Happy holidays to every single one of you. May God bless and keep you always. I'm not doing anything much. Basically everything that I did initially when I created this space. I also have a little mulch right here, not a lot, so I'm going to use it in certain areas. Before I had it in so many areas, but because of the move up and the changing and all sorts of things, I just didn't get back to doing that. What I'm not going to do today, I may do it another time, as well as I may not.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
Alright, so this is where this one is going to go. If you notice right here, I have board, and this is simply because when I water, the water settle right here, because there has been a sink right here. Usually I have some containers here, but because of the changing up and everything, I have to put this here right now. Even when we had the hurricane and I showed you guys, here was flooded, so I decided to put the board first and then add the artificial grass. So on the ground right here, this is actually garbage bag, black garbage bag. So every single where in the garden is actually covered with the black garbage bag, and then I added the artificial grass, and then I add the mulch in areas like these. But like I said, most of them wash away or I move them up or something, and I did replace them. So you're going to see exactly what I'll do with the mulch and the grass up here. Alright, so let's get to it. Ease this one up a little. So yes, that's basically it. So what I'm going to do now, to let you have a little vibe, just add the mulch that I have right here. You know, creating a little safe haven, somewhere to just relax and have a good time. Not that I didn't have a good time before, but this makes it a lot better. I just love the red mulch amongst the green. Don't be surprised if one day you see my entire garden covered in mulch. In real mulch, that is. Alright, so I'm basically going to put these in the walkway. So I cut 3 pieces that I'm going to have to join. Let me start down here. I actually spoiled the straight piece that I had, so I had to end up cutting the small pieces. Just need to tilt this like this and do like that. Look at this compared to this. You really needed a little upliftment. My God. Why you took so long, girl? Alright, let me just join this piece right here. Put this one under. Alright guys, so I realized after close inspection when I went down there, I realized I don't want this one on top. So I'm going to put this one on top instead of have it like that. So let me cut off this black part right here. I can actually join them, you know, instead of having them overlaying each other. I'm going to do that. Alright, so that looks much better to me. So I did actually cut this little part as well to go in this area right here. So this is what I actually got to do. It's not really mulch properly, you know, but I just added what I had left. So this is how here is looking. I was trying to stretch the mulch, so of course the next time you see mulch added, it will be a lot better. So just a quick little setup. I'll leave you here for today. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time,
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.